Imagine that you want to buy a car for yourself at a car dealership. While walking through the showroom, one of the cars catches your eye, and you ask the sales representative for its price. The sales representative says that the price of this model is 15,000 euros. So you like this brand and decide to buy this car. However, at the last stage, the sales representative tells you that there's another top model of the same brand in the showroom, and that you can buy that car by paying a little more. You also look at that model and you see that the price of this model is a bit expensive, but it's worth the price, and also this model has some additional advantages compared to the other model. As a result, you decide to buy the model that the sales representative offered. In this scenario, the sales rep's approach is called the upsell approach. Upselling is when a customer is offered a superior version of the product or service he or she is about to purchase during the purchase process. With this method, companies can further increase their sales. According to statistics, while the probability of selling any product to existing customers is 70 to 80%, this probability varies in the range of 5 to 20% for new potential customers. For example, a sales representative at an electronics store may recommend a relatively expensive phone that you're interested in, with more powerful RAM and ROM memory. And since it's more suitable for your needs, you can buy this model. Thus, with the upselling method, the electronics store will make more sales. In one of the last videos, we talked about cross-selling techniques. Although these methods are similar, they're actually completely different. In the cross-selling method, the company representative offers other complementary products or services related to the sold product, while in the upselling method, a more premium version of the same product is offered. There are a few things to keep in mind when using both methods when selling. First, you need to know the features, benefits, and weaknesses of your proposed product, because if the buyer asks any questions and you can't answer them, it will create distrust towards your company and that buyer. On the other hand, if you know the features, benefits, and weaknesses, then you create trust. As a second nuance, we can say that the sales representative should present himself to the client not as a person who wants to sell him any product, but as a consultant for that product. As a third condition, the sales representative must know the wants and needs of the customer. The fourth point is that the sales representative gives the right product recommendations to the customer. If the customer sees that the sales representative is offering him wrong, unnecessary products, then his trust will decrease. Making the right recommendations is based on knowing the product and customer correctly and being fair in your part as the sales representative. It may not be the right approach to present all the products that the customer needs, as presenting many products to the customer will cause him to get confused. I'd like to conclude with similar words from the previous video we made about cross-selling. As with cross-selling, upselling is beneficial to both the company and the customer when done fairly and correctly. It's useful for the company because more sales means more income. And it's also useful for the customer because offering a product that he doesn't even know about according to the needs and desires of the customer means that his needs are fully met. This, of course, means better customer satisfaction. Don't forget to share your experiences with the upselling approach with us and other viewers in the comments section of the video. Thanks for your attention.